This is a beautiful Mo. Hello. Today, we're gonna try to change the brakes, the brake caliper. It's been bad for a while. Bad. So, yeah, that's the goal today. The last time we ended up getting the wrong brake caliper. So, I got the new one today, and this should be fairly quick, maybe. Okay, camera lady. This is pretty much everything I need. Let's take a second and look at how beautiful my camera lady is. Ooh. Ooh, what's that on your finger? Ooh, shit. What's that? The brake came with the whole assembly, so I kind of want to just like replace what's on the car with this one, but I can't get this thing off, this little whatever you call it, so I'm gonna try to use the impact gun and not blow up, hopefully. I'm just gonna step on it, put it on lefty-loosey, and give her the ugga-duggas.
Wow, we got it. Perfect.
Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah. Alright, cool. Now we'll move on to taking off the rest of the lug nuts. And once we're done doing that, then we can pop off the old one, pop on the new one, and hopefully be done pretty soon. I have new brake fluid and stuff. I'm not entirely sure if I want to do breathe all the brakes yet. I know I probably should. Do I really want to? No. Because I gotta take off all the wheels. So, moving on. Alright, so now that I have the wheel off, obviously I'm gonna take off the caliper, but I already went ahead and took this screw off right here. And once I take off the caliper bolts and all that, then I will remove this, and then just replace the whole thing. So, more than likely we're gonna have a little bit of a brake leak here. Speaking of that, I'm gonna open the reservoir right now. Alright. Brake reservoir is open. Brakes look a little weird. I mean, the brake fluid looks a little gunky. Nice. Broke the top bolt. It was a 17. I'll try to get to the second one. Ah, fuck. Nice. I just broke this, but I want to show you guys. Just loosen here. Yeah, I see brake fluid coming out already. Hold on, let me grab something to grab the brake fluid. Alright, now I have something to hopefully catch the liquid. And I have a rag at the bottom just in case it doesn't catch the liquid. The brake fluid, whatever. Oh shit.
Bro, I think like we're like the attraction of America with all these fucking stuff.
Oh, it's connected to that too? What the heck? I didn't even notice that. Alright, so I'll put that there. Disconnect this clip, and yeah, we'll go from there. Put it in place. Start the bolt. Start the other bolt, the one down here. I don't know if you can see it. This new caliper is so much better. I can already tell.
Yes. So it's not gonna be gripping too much no more?
Nope.
Yes.
Now for the reassembly. This work is a lot more messy than I realized it was gonna be.
Big C, little C. Big C, big C, big C, big C. That kind of makes sense, cause like
Just gotta make everything tight, and then bleed the brakes. That's all that's left. Alright, 3 times and hold. Hold in. Maybe I should have bled all the brakes. But I don't know, would that really change anything? My dad did recommend that I did all of them and I didn't do it, so. I have the car on those race ramps or whatever, wooden race ramps. So I'm gonna see if I can just lead it without actually jacking the car up and taking off the wheels. Hopefully that works. Let's see. Pump! Hold in. All right. That looks good to me. All right, love, pump. Hold in. All right, pump.
Hi everybody. So basically, it didn't work. That's what happened. When we turned the car back on after all that stuff that we did, the lights did turn off, like the ABS light, and then the exclamation point one was gone. And then so we got excited. We were like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, it's fine, it worked, you know what I'm saying? But then we took it on a test drive, and then all those lights came back. And then it was making all of those sounds all over again. Like clunk, clunk, clunk. So we don't know what's wrong. And we don't know what to do. So if anyone is having those issues, can you please tell us what to do?